welcome back. This video will cover how to have R and RStudio in each of your computers. Hence, if you actually already have R and RStudio, please do skip it. There's no point in doing this video. If you don't have it, please follow me. The first thing that you would need is R. So if you go and you Google download R, and then you click on the first one, so download R for Windows here, and you just click here or on download on this top left part, and then it will download, and then it will be super simple. Then you just follow the regular download instructions. But after you have R as a programming language, then you actually need a software that you can use it. And hence, the one that we'll use is RStudio. So if you go and have here, download RStudio from RStudio. RStudio is actually a company, but they do have a free part for just everyone like you and me. So if you're a company, you may actually have to buy it, but for the normal people, you don't have to. And you can see here that there are two versions of RStudio, RStudio Desktop, RStudio Server. We'll go with the desktop part. And then you have the open source edition. This is the one that makes it free. And there's almost nothing that the open source has that the Desktop Pro doesn't. Hence, this is the only one that you need. Plus, one is free and the other one is $9.95 per year. So as a result, you just click here on download RStudio, and then you scroll down again. It would prompt you to, again, all those free versus paid, and you also have RStudio Server. Personally, we'll use the desktop. I think that's my preferred version. And then you click on download, and again, download RStudio for Windows. It says here RStudio requires R 3.0. As of this recording, if you are to download the most recent version, it is the R 4.0. So it's more than fulfills the requirements. And the thing that you'd have to do, so you just download it, and again, you just follow the instructions as you are prompted to. So you click on next, 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 until you are done. This is it for this video. If you by chance have any issues with downloading RStudio or installing R or anything, please do write in the Q&A and we'll try to solve it as soon as possible. I hope to see everyone in the next video, and until then, enjoy.